Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. How you all doing? In today's video, you see here we're gonna give this walkway a brand new makeover. We're gonna remove all these slabs that we have here, all the slabs, remove the steps, and we're gonna rebuild the steps. Gonna dig down here and compact it. You'll see as we go. No further ado, let's dive right into the video. But before we dive into the video, go ahead and give the video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one. With no further ado, let's dive right into the video and get this thing popping. This is what we have here today, guys. As you see, we're gonna remove those steps and rebuild some new one. These are the stone that we're gonna use for the steps, and this is the one that we're gonna use for our walkway. Come in, Kisisha.
Okay.
Look what we found. Say hello. Okay guys, so we finished remove our stone. Okay guys, so what we want to do first thing here, we want to measure from the top of our pouch, because this is where we're going to start from. Now we want to have each thread that's going to go down, we're going to have 2 steps. So the first one we want to have 7 inches, which here is from the top come down here is 5 3/4. So we need to go 1 1/4 from underneath here, and that we know that's where we're gonna start. So we'll mark 1 1/4. So that's the first 7 inches, and 2 7 is 14. So we know we need to mark 14 inches from this mark. So 14 inches. So this is where we need to come up with our stone. So we gotta, from this mark down, we need to dig 9 inches in order to have a structural stone. We're gonna dig out the soil, and then we're gonna compact the soil. Then we're gonna add 2 inches of sub base, compacted that, then 2 more inches of sub base, compacted that, then 2 more inches layer of sub base, compacted that, 2 more inches of sub base, compacted that, and then our final 1 inches of sand. That's where we want our stone to be, guys. So from here we're gonna dig down 9 inches. So let's carry on. No, we're gonna go through it. Okay guys, as you see, I finished to dig out my 9 inches. So as you see guys, it's 9 inches. That's how much we want to dig out the entire thing. And then we're going to keep compacting every 2 inches layer until we reach up to a final 2 layer. So we want to dig it out 9 inches, as you see there. So we finally finished to do, our digging. Now we're gonna compact our soil. Okay guys, so as you see here, we finished to compact our soil. Now to prevent the wheat from coming through onto our paver. So we have a hole right here. We're gonna cut this part off. We don't want it to be here in our way. So now just want to measure ram. Make sure we have the right amount of length. Pretty simple and straightforward. How you want to do, you just want to spread. So now all we gotta do, we gotta just start it to put 2 inches of sub base or crushed gravel. And we're gonna compact that, and then 2 more inches and compact that. You'll see as we go. Okay guys, so we finished to level our first 2 inches. We compacted that. Now we're gonna sprinkle water over it, compact it again, and after we're gonna put 2 more inches of sub base and compact that, and keep on repeating until we reach our 6 inches of sub base. Okay guys, so now we're gonna put some water on it, and we're gonna compact again. Hey guys, so as you see, put our first 2 inches and we dump it with water, sprinkle it with water. Now we're gonna stamp it again before we put our 2 inches of sub base. Okay guys, as you see, I string my line now. So guys, our paver is 2.5 inches. So right here is 2 inches. Now we're gonna compact it. And by the time we compact it, it's gonna bring us right down to our 2 inches. Okay guys, so as you see, get your final level. Now we're gonna start to install our stone. No, stone.
Ja, man.
Okay guys, as you see here, so we finished to lay our paver right now. So now we're gonna put on our polymeric sand. That's my polymeric sand. Guys, now we're gonna put our polymeric sand. So guys, polymeric sand is what growth is to tile. You want to make sure you brush it off very well before you activate it. If you don't, you will have a haze on your stone. You want to go through and make sure. What you can do is get a leaf blower. That really helps. If you don't, in my case, I'm just using a small broom here.
So good.
Not good?
Very good.
Thank you.
Can I use your knife, bro?
Yeah. Sure.
Good job, man.
Thank you.
Beautiful work.
Okay, guys. So now we're gonna put our step here. So what we want to do, we want to use a 12 inches step. So we're gonna measure here 1.5. We're gonna put our 1.5 from here, and this is where we're gonna take our 2 feet from. So we're gonna have one step fall here and one gonna fall right out here. We're gonna do the same over this side. 1.5. Chris, so start bring some of them stone for me, daddy, please. And then 2 feet here. This is where our step gonna be.
Oh no, took my wife and
No, we're just behind. Let's go try to get that one. This is gonna be our first one right here. But before we do that, we wanna glue it. So I'm gonna put down some glue and glue it up right now. Okay guys, so just gonna put a bit of glue. This is the adhesive that we're using, as you see here. Okay guys, we're gonna put a good amount of glue. Okay, put a little bit of glue here as well. Just like so guys, another one here. Perfect. Remember we have our mark at the front here that we're working with. Some more here. Guys, if you do this different from the way I'm doing it, leave a comment down in the bottom section there. My viewers may learn from it. Guys, if you get involved from this video so far, go ahead and give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed for more upcoming video like this one.
These kids can do.
Yeah, man.
It's a big trick.
Dump this for me somewhere.
So guys, now we're gonna activate our joint. All we gotta do is just add the water to it. Okay, that's it, taboo. Well, there you have it guys. Hope you get value from this video. Subscribe for more upcoming video like this one. And give the video a thumbs up. And I want you to check out my own boy YouTube channel, Randy Landscape and Junk Removal. He have a few content, but he's gonna keep on upload content on a frequent on a daily basis from now on. So go over there and subscribe, show some love. It's my own boy.
Alright guys, thank you for the support. I want to say a big thank you to Kbennettconstruction. They're really good. They're my brothers. So thank you guys for the support. Continue to like and share the channel. See you next time on our next project. Peace.
Great job, guys.
Thank you. I feel like it, man.
You've done a great job.
Thank you.
You know, very professional, very nice, and You know, if I have any other person, I'll recommend you for any work. You guys are fantastic.
Truly appreciate that from the homeowner.
Thank you.
We try our best to make you guys happy at the end of the job. Thank you. Happy you guys like it. Thank you.
All right.
Bye.